This is the one. So eating and drinking, are prohibited from here. No eating, no drinking inside the temple shrine. So we have to strictly follow the customs, their taboos, customs, or what rituals, whatever. Ah, beautiful temple, beautiful shrine. See, excellent. I would have done a mistake if I wouldn't have visited this shrine. So first thing, when we come to Japan, we have to come to Kyoto. We have to spend here at least 3-4 days. Kyoto and Osaka 4-5 days, and then go to Tokyo. See, this is the map. So you can see the pillars. There are several orange color or red color pillars. So see toilets everywhere. So no need to bother about toilets in Japan, restrooms in Japan. So we find them everywhere. In every restaurant, every train station. And toilets are also new in public toilets, so they maintain very excellent. See, excellent maintenance. So they never charge anywhere for toilets. I have to Google it why these arches are painted in red in color or orange in color. So I don't have any idea. I can't tell. So I need to Google it. So there is plenty of. There's a big path going inside, but I don't have time. So I have seen important places.
I'm great, thanks.
So this is Fushimi Inari Taisha. You can see Mount Inari left side, Inner Shrine left side, Senbon Tori. So that I have to see. There are continuous arches like this, several arches at one place. So it's Senbon Tori. So I will see. Yeah, it's there. Okay. This is the one. See, so it is continuous. Continuous pillars. But I wanted to go from there. One Telugu couple, old couple, they met me and said just to go inside and pray and go out. You can come out. So it's only 5 minutes. That's why I'm going again. So otherwise I would have gone from there. I'm going back now. Same type of exit. So same type of entrance. From here Nara is showing 1 hour 22 minutes. So by the time I reach there, it will be dark. So I'm thinking whether to visit today or tomorrow morning. So I'm running out of time. I'm running 2 hours late. So I would have skipped my lunch and directly I would have come here. But without lunch I can't survive. Without eating lunch, I was eating whole day, but still my stomach was not full. So that's why I have opted for Indian lunch. So I have changed my mind. Now I am going to Nara because I have a train. I can see JR train from at 5:32, platform 2. So I go to Nara and from there, just I spend there 30 minutes and then I go to Osaka. So it is same platform, but it's going to different city, Joyo. So I have to take 5:32. So that is for Uji and Nara, platform 2. So in another 15 minutes. So this is non-stop. You can see they are all JR lights. So my pass is not valid today, otherwise I would have taken it freely. So that is going to Osaka. So that's why it is very busy. Sorry, Kyoto. That's why it is very busy. So to go to Osaka, we have to go to Kyoto first. We have to go to Kyoto first and then we have to change trains. So that's why I have decided to go to Nara because I have a direct train from here. Then from Nara, I go to Osaka. So tomorrow morning, I no need to come to Nara again. Train has come, so I have to go to Nara using this train. This is woman in this compartment, so better I take another compartment, another car. So there are also priority seats. So I should not sit in priority seat. So because my ticket is a normal ticket. So see, excellent train. So this is a local train. See, they're excellent. I am going to Nara from the temple, Inari temple. So this is Nara line. So it will take another 50 minutes. 50 minutes from here. So I visit Nara Park, Nara Deer Park, then I go to Osaka. You can see Sakura everywhere, blooming, flower blooms. because it is starting of spring season. So everywhere houses look like these only. There is no difference between village, town and city. So only in center of the cities you find high-rise buildings, skyscrapers, but remaining. So they are all same. I came to know that Japan is a country where 90% people live in urban areas. I think it might be the world record, or like most in the world. This is Uji.